Hello everybody, welcome to E! Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. Neville Garrick, renowned Jamaican graphic artist and visual designer, has died. His daughter Naomi Garrick confirmed his passing earlier today in an Instagram post, stating that with profound sadness we inform you of the peaceful transition of our beloved Neville after a brief but grave fight with cancer. Garrick was a graduate of the University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA, where he played for the football team, reaching the National Collegiate Athletic Association finals in both 1971 and 72. Upon returning to Jamaica, he became art director for the Daily News before joining Tough Gong as art director. He was best known for creating the artwork for many Bob Marley album covers and designed the backdrops for the Reggae Sunsplash Festival for the great part of the 1980s. He has also worked with Burning Spear, Steel Pulse, and many others. He is the author of Arasta's Pilgrimage, Ethiopian Faces and Places 1999, and was a founder and executive director of the Bob Marley Museum. Garrick was recently awarded the Order of Distinction at the National Honors and Awards ceremony. Now, television Jamaica's scissors-cut actress Joan Williams enjoys a slice of Hoodoo's drama series Black Cake. Speaking earlier today on TVJ's Small Jamaica program, Williams stated that she felt like royalty working on the set.
I felt good. I felt like royalty, you know. No. I had my own trailer, my own little bus.
What you said?
Yes, my dear, and I was mostly catered to.
Yes.
Yes, I had somebody escort him. I shouldn't walk from the set to the bus by myself.
Yourself?
Yes, my dear.
Mm-hmm.
And I shouldn't walk with if I have my flip-flops on before I put my full costume on, somebody's with me with my bag. Or every so often I have my bag, but somebody's walking with me.
Yes, yes.
It felt good. It felt good.
Yeah.
She added that prior work experience prepared her for this role.
It made it a little easier for me to kind of not be anxious. I was relaxed. I knew exactly when they said, move here, move there, whatever terms they would have used, I would have been already familiar with it.
She said the experience has opened her eyes.
It taught me that there's so much, my value is higher. It taught me that I don't have to settle.
11-year-old Canadian-Jamaican singer and actor Jasmine Headley is making waves both locally and globally. She appeared as a featured guest on the nationally syndicated Canadian TV show The Good Stuff with Mary Berg, where she discussed her foundation, the Mapen Hospital, her family, and Jamaica. Headley, the founder of the Jasmine Foundation, got her start in philanthropy 3 years ago during the COVID-19 pandemic after receiving presents she didn't need or used. Now, Headley built a space, the Jasmine Corner at the Mapen Hospital, which is housed in the pediatric ward. The Jasmine Corner is outfitted with a computer, reading materials, and toys. She credits her parents for always giving back to persons as they're both social workers.
My parents are social workers, so they give back a lot. That's what inspired me the most. If someone asks me to sing for an event, I'll ask them to give me donation of toys to my charity instead of money.
She has gathered money to purchase wheelchairs, clothes, and other necessities. Good job. That's it for E! Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.